How do I get the current time? How do I get the current time?
Use datetime. For just the clock time without the date. To save typing, you can import the datetime object from the datetime module. Then remove the prefix datetime dot from all of the above.
Use time.strftime.
Similar to Harley's answer, but use the str function for a quick and dirty, slightly more human-readable format.
Example output. September 18th, 2013, 11 column 16 column 32. See list of strftime directives.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.